Gates. I'm the president of Chegu Buddhist Institute, KBI, and I'm supposed to say a few words. So I'll start by paying homage to the lineage of glorious gurus, going all the way back to Buddha Shakyamuni, paying homage to the Holy Dharma and the noble Sangha of disciples. I prostrate to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas and to all sentient beings, and especially to Bodhicitta. And I want to pay my respects to the traditional custodians of knowledge for this land, skies and waters. That would be the Wongal people. The Wongal name for Balmain, where we're gathered today, is Balwadari. And so I extend my acknowledgement and respects to them and their elders, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples on whose lands we reside today. And a little bit about this area, I guess. Very famous Wongal man is Bennelong. Most of you would have heard of Bennelong. We know down where the Sydney Opera House is, that's called Bennelong Point. And Bennelong was a Wongal man, and he was formed a very close relationship with Governor Phillip during the arrival of the British. But today is Sepaninga. It's the 25th day of the second month, which means it's Dakini Day. So we should celebrate the feminine energy of wisdom on days like this. And Bennelong's wife, her name was Baranguru, and we know Baranguru, that's sort of the new area on the other side of the harbour. And Sangha at KBI, Lopa Nawan Ledut, Lama Sechab, Lama Punso. Also to the family of Tempa Gyatso, the family of Tsuchun Dorje, many other Tibetans. We wouldn't be able to do it without them, honestly. And also to my own KBI committee, Lynn, Jackie Quilty, Jacqueline Bell, Emily, Ken, and Punsok, of course, as well. And lots of other people, lots of other volunteers who are new Australians, who are older Australians, Tibetan Australians, Chinese Australians, Vietnamese Australians, who all contribute to what we do here. So my great thanks to all of you for that. And
all the Buddha's wisdom, combination of all the Buddha's wisdom is Manjushri, and Avalokitara is all the Buddha's compassion is emanation is Avalokitara, and Vajrapani is broadful and powerful for clear your obstacles for your practice. So these three combination deities initiation we will do today. Before we begin the initiation, it is very important to have the right motivation, because that will determine what kind of blessing or what kind of benefits one will gain. But even before that, in order to generate the right motivation, it is very important to have the right understanding of why we should do these practices. Because how we should do these practices, this comes later. First, we must think about why we should do these practices. What kind of a situation that we must understand. Enlightened the entire sentient beings. So this is the one and only goal of all the Mahayana practitioners, especially the Vajrna practitioners. There is no other goal for Thanga, stupa, temple, your master, or any religious object. If one cannot do that, then we can keep your mind on your breathing, nothing else. You are keeping it inside, and then as you breathe out, visualize all the negative, all the sickness, all the diseases, all the emotions, negative emotions, you are breathing it out. So basically you are cleansing oneself. So we will do a short meditation. Chupe wangzhe jimbo kaje yishe doje choke yinla xie gaxi juju dang gestures of the three deities, like the Vajrna sword. Our Lord is Lord White Lotus, and the Vajrna is Vajra. Many of these.
So I would like to say in English, good afternoon. Thank you for your holiness. A beautiful today, since this welcome ceremony in Sada Islands. And then yesterday is amazing day. Thank you, Vajrna, your power. And long life, present DY. And today is amazing. We can 9:30 last night in this house. It's nothing. And now this is look like actually 100 years temple. That's the magic people here, the group. I would like to say all the time to help me for TrizinGyana members and friends. His Holiness Sakya TrizinGyana's birthday as special. So we have purpose again after all. And I would like to call them. Thank you for very unfortunate His Holiness wishes to give to small message. I will call the names. Please come up. And after that, we love the TrizinGyana members. I would like to say thank you from bottom of my heart, all of you. Amazing wishes carried out in TrizinGyana. It's amazing. Thank you for everyone for helping this beautiful opportunity. And also, His Holiness attendance and Jobala and Kemukurchu. That's also very, very big message. I can't say the word, but thank you so much.
In Sydney, we are afraid tsunami is coming. We are all because we live in the coast. All of Australia is actually all cities are all near the coast. So everybody is afraid that the tsunami is coming. Right? we are all of it 24/7. We are praying, we are doing all, we are